Good morning you guys and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. I am a little bit peeved because I have actually filmed this video already. I filmed it half an hour ago and then I went back to replay it just to make sure, I wanted to just check it out. Turns out that the microphone that I was using connected to my phone wasn't working. So I had spent 30 minutes recording and that's all now down the drain. So if I'm a little bit kind of flat or like stumbly, please forgive me. Yeah, it's just, I'm pretty drained already. Filming is not easy work. But basically, my original plan was to do a get ready with me and put makeup on with you guys, show you guys how I do like a really simple everyday routine kind of thing where you're just running errands, you don't really need like makeup for a photo shoot or anything. And then vlog going out, running some errands and also going to my childhood home to pack up my old stuff and do a bit of a house tour because my mum sold her place, the house that I was in for the last few years of my life before I moved out. And so there's a lot of my old stuff, a lot of memories there. And I wanted to film that. And then by the end of the day, kind of let you guys see my makeup and show you like what's happened and how it's stayed on. And the reason for that is because I have purchased a new setting spray. So it was kind of like a, it's like a test video. So because I have now screwed that up, I'm now going to be doing two videos, both filmed today. So the first one is going to be this one. In terms of the unboxings and everything, I've still got it here. So let's quickly roll through that and then we'll do a time skip because I will do my vlog portion for next week's video. And then 9-10 hours from now, I'll film the end of day catch up to show you guys how my makeup looks. So at the moment I have one face with an old setting spray and the other side of my face with the new one. Okay, so most of you guys who follow me and watch me, for a while will know that I am a member of a department store, a beauty department store called Mecca. You get certain levels of membership and you get boxes, which is just basically a bundle of sample size products for you to test out. And these samples are kind of bigger than normal samples. So they're not like sachet samples where it's like a one-time use. These samples are like quite substantial that you can definitely use for anywhere between 2 weeks to a month. For me, if you've also followed me for a while, you know I love that sort of thing. I think samples are fantastic because, especially the bigger size samples, because 2 weeks is enough time for you to test out whether or not that product A, works, and B, fits your lifestyle and fits your skin type, your skin condition, and fits your needs. Sometimes they last up to a month, which is fabulous. And then, if I like it, I'll go and buy the full-size product to support it and also because I like it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Anyway, the next product I have on my list is the Kate Somerville Exfolikate Intensive Exfoliating Treatment. This is a very strong exfoliation facial wash. So it's got like beads in it, like organic beads, so it will kind of break down and degrade naturally. So it's not damaging to the environment when it goes down your drain. But this is really strong and potent, so it's an exfoliation wash that you only use maximum like once every 2 days. Generally though, I use maybe about once every 3 days or 4 days. It kind of depends on your needs, depends I guess on the climate that you live in as well. If you're in like the Asia Pacific, say in Australia, that's okay, but if you're kind of like in the China where the air is a bit dirtier, your pores are probably going to get clogged a little bit more, so you definitely probably want to use this once every 2 days instead of once every 4 days. So I am definitely excited to add this to my collection. Now the next one is the Moravxa Alumini C. This particular product I've not tried before, and you can see it's a very, very small sample size, and that's okay. Even if it's this size, it will still last about 2 weeks because with eye serums, a little goes a long way. So you use a very, very small amount and you kind of just dab it under your eye and right at the corner. And that'll help brighten your eyes and also prevent like crow's feet and that kind of anti-aging stuff, right? And this one is supposed to help with that as well. It's powered by vitamins C, A, and E, and it brightens, smooths, and hydrates the eye contour. Pretty much what every eye serum has been designed to do. So I'm pretty excited to try this because I have been using the sample size of a different eye serum. I don't remember what it's called. I just finished it, so it's in my empties bin, which I'm going to do a video on soon, where it's just a video where I go through all of the products that I finished and I let you know whether or not I'm going to buy the full size, whether I'm happy with it, and do I recommend that you go and buy it as well. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, I've just finished my eye serum, so having a new sample is fantastic. So I'm really excited to try that. The last thing on the samples before we head to the main product is the Briogeo, I don't know how to pronounce it, Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. So this is just a conditioner pretty much, and it's just a conditioner. I actually have already used this before. So previously the way I would use it is to put it in my hair, let it sit for 2 minutes, and I do it once every 2 days, because with the conditioner you can use it every day, but this is like a deep enriching mask, and I only do it like once every 2 or 3 days, because it just kind of helps. I don't know, for me, I feel like when I used it, it did actually help me have more lush hair. It was bouncier as well, like my fringe was a bit more bouncy, so I'm pretty excited to have this back in my life. Anyways, so that's pretty much like kind of all the samples here, so I'm just gonna pop this back in, and I'm gonna move on to the main product, which I'm actually really excited about. The product is, ta-da! It is the Hourglass Veil Soft Focus Setting Spray. So with this particular setting spray, there's nothing special in terms of like how you use it or anything. It's pretty much the same as like all the other setting sprays. You put your makeup on, you put a powder, and then you kind of like use a setting spray, and that setting spray locks the powder into your kind of cream foundations or whatnot, and it just gives your whole face a dewy finish, which I think you can kind of see already. I have used this side as my Hourglass side, and this side is my old setting spray. My old one is the Urban Decay All Nighter, which is a staple for everyone. I'm running out. As you can probably hear, there's not much in here, and I thought I wanted to get a new one. For some reason, I thought this was cheap. I thought this was like 30 bucks, but actually it's 55 Australian dollars. It's 55 Australian dollars. And so I was like, that's pretty expensive. And then when I saw this one was 77. So I was like, okay, well that's only 20 bucks more, so it's not that much more. I might as well go and try, like, you know, this one, because Hourglass, I think everyone kind of agrees, is a bit more of a luxe brand. So the packaging, very standard Hourglass packaging in this beautiful kind of brown golden color. And you open it up, you get pretty much, you know, the product straight away, and it looks like this. So you can see it is just this white can, and it is the Veil Soft Focus Setting Spray. Open it up, and it's just got a plastic nozzle at the top. And this is how it sprays, by the way. I think it's very important for people to know how it sprays, because you don't want ones that like spit. That's just really bad, because then it starts like having droplets on your face, and it like, what's the word, like creates blotches on your face, like patches, and that's not good. This one, I've already tested it out, because like I said, I filmed it already, but it's a very evenly distributed soft spray. Have a look. How amazing is that? I mean, okay, let's do it again. That is so incredible. I love it. I love it so much. I love the way that it sprays. I think it just sprays amazingly. But yeah, the only thing is, I'm a bit disappointed with the packaging. So obviously the box, standard Hourglass box. This, however, I did see how this looked online before I bought it. Obviously I knew it looked like this. What I thought though was that this would be like white frosted glass, because that's kind of like, the packaging is kind of what also makes a product luxurious, right? Like it makes it look special, makes it feel special because it's something nice, right? So this, when you feel it, it's like brushed aluminium. It just kind of feels and looks like hairspray. And to me, I feel like that's a big, big disappointment from a brand that I was expecting quite a bit of luxury from. But in terms of the product, comes out really well. It smells nice, and not in the perfume scented way, but nice in the very soft, very delicate, very gentle smell. Not a fragrance, not like an alcohol perfume fragrance, but like a expensive skincare kind of thing. So it's definitely a good smell. I'm one of those people that gets a headache when I have like scented products. If I have like perfume that's like too close to my face, I spray it too close to my face, has to be like down here, you know, it gets in my nose and then I get a headache by midday. So smell to me is very important, and this definitely ticks that box. Packaging, bit of a disappointment. In terms of the product, so we have Urban Decay on this side of my face, and we have the Hourglass Veil Soft Focus on this side of my face. So TikTok TikTok in 8 or 10 hours, I'll come back to you guys and show you what my face looks like. And you guys... Hi you guys. Okay, so now it is, oh, don't have a watch on this hand. It is 8 p.m. The sun is setting, so it's getting pretty dark. My room's getting really dark. You can't see much, but coming back to you now with an end of day recap and review about the setting spray. So there's a bit of a light there, but I might just kind of let it be natural focus for now, so you guys can kind of see and let me know what you think. So I'm just going to move this way so you don't have like an uneven light. Okay, so can you guys notice much of a difference? Looking at the viewfinder, I don't think that there is on camera. So this side does look a bit blurred and a little bit kind of good coverage. Nothing flaky, nothing cracky, nothing awful. This side as well, this side pretty good, holding up very, very well, at least on camera. Just going to quickly look in the mirror to see if I can see something that maybe the camera's not picking up. As far as I can see, they both look pretty good. I do have to say on camera now, it could be because there's light coming in on this side, but this side looks a little, just the tiniest fraction, a little bit more greasy than this side. This side looks like a kind of after beach sun-kissed glow, whereas this side looks a little bit greasy. But if I turn, yeah, it's hard to tell. Let's go into the artificial light and let's have a look. Well, let's put you there. What do we think? So this is the ring light, so we have even light everywhere. What do we think? This is the Urban Decay. And this is the Hourglass. I think both sides look amazing. I'm actually really happy with my makeup today. I'm having a really good makeup day. And it's my, you know, like everyday non-photo shoot professional day. It's like a running errands, everyday kind of like look, you know, like basic, simple look. and I'm really liking it. But anyways, I guess, yeah, okay. Well, for anyone deciding between the Urban Decay All-Nighter and the Hourglass Veil Soft Focus, I think it's pretty much exactly the same. Slightly, like slightly better this side, but once again, I don't know if it's because my face on this side is just prettier. I don't know, it could be. But yeah, I mean, that's really good because everyone knows Urban Decay All-Nighter is the gold standard. Like, everyone knows that. And so for Hourglass to come out with a setting spray that can go toe-to-toe with the Urban Decay All-Nighter, even though it's $20 more expensive, I still think that's really good. I think as a product, I think the Hourglass one wins. Because performance-wise, I think they're pretty much exactly the same. But packaging-wise and the spray nozzle, I think the Hourglass one wins. Hourglass one comes out like a smooth, kind of like that, whereas the Urban Decay one, like it's really, I feel so silly doing that, but it's like really not that great in terms of the spray. So I definitely prefer the Hourglass Veil. So I think from now on, I might stop buying the Urban Decay All-Nighter and just use Hourglass. I've been using Urban Decay All-Nighter for like 3 years now. So yeah, I'm very happy that I found a replacement because I definitely like to try new things all the time. But anyways, that's pretty much it, guys. Hopefully you found it helpful. If you have any feedback or comments, let me know, in the comments below. Hit the like button as well. Also lets me know that that's the type of stuff that you like to watch as well. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.